Today we are going to be sharpening a TCT Saw Blade, and I'll show you how to do it start to finish. First thing on the agenda is to get said saw blade, which is this one, and you can see it's pretty dirty. So the first thing to do is clean it up. We'll whack this on. And now we are free of all of the little bits of wood that have been stuck all over the side, which can cause binding. And now all that wood is all over me. Joy. Right, the first thing we need to do here is get the blade and work out what we need. Now on this blade here, it tells you exactly what it is. So we're going to be doing the tops of this one, okay? And it says here that the tops are 15 degrees. So we have to go to our machine over here and type it in. This is a 250mm diameter, right, which is already there. 40 teeth, and then the bevel angle on the top is 15. Okay, so we've set that. We've got the blade thickness, we've got the grinding speed. All of that is all on here. So that is what we're going to be doing. And then we need the angle at the back, which is also 15, it's already there. So let's get this on. Lights, please. So I will remove this, which is the bore spindle for it, and put that to there. Clamp holder on, right? So that then goes in here. And the blade sits there. So now I need to move the blade into position. Get it just about right, and then I can set that and clamp it. So it's now clamped in. Now I can feed that clamp around and it will push down each tooth on there until I get it to where I want it to start, which will be this next one. Now I'm going to get down and check the angles. That needs to be changed there. Haha! Now we're at the correct angle on the back, the correct angle on the front. And now I'm going to bring the wheel in to touch on the top of the blade. Not very fast. Now I tap it very, very gently now until that grinding wheel, that blue grinding wheel there, touches the tip of the blade. There. That was the door, that was the customer coming to pick up his already sharp blades that I did 3 weeks ago. Right, so we've touched the top of the tooth. Now we're going to drop down till we get to the bottom. There, and we'll set that, and then we'll go back up to the top, past the tooth till it's clear. There. So we have set how far it goes in, how far it goes down, and how far it goes up. So it now should go in, down, up, and then move to the next tooth. That's the plan. So what we'll do is we'll close this door. And we've got to remember to put the extractor on. The extractor's on the roof of here. So I'm going to put that on now. It's noisy. And now I'm going to put the compressor on. That should need to be done. Lovely bit of noise, and then a lovely bit of sharpening. And I'm going to do that in fast forward, because I can. So now you can see it has finished, and I'm just going to check now, make sure that it's all good. That it is dripping with oil, but the tops are absolutely perfect, and that is as sharp as a tack. I shall show you. So there you go. That has now been done. Now the original angle was 15. That had been sharpened previously at 10 degrees, which is why it wasn't all the way along. So I've just kept it the same because that's what's been working for them. So the different application they're using, they didn't want quite such a sharp angle. And now just take this off, pop it over here, dry it up, and then I shall dip it in my little dip tank so it's covered in a nice big bit of red dip, and then the customer can have it back. That is how we do it here at 12 Point Tools.